Independence Day is one of the most auspicious occasions in our country. Whenever we think about independence, the two things come to our mind are freedom and flag hoisting. Flag hoisting is an integral part of Independence Day, so let us witness it.
Nothing is more valuable and enlightening than thoughtful words by an intelligent person. So I would like to call our school's head boy, Komopal Singh, to deliver a speech on Independence Day.
A very pleasant morning to all. Myself, Komopal Singh Dul, head boy of Little Flower Convent, Senior Secondary School, Gurdaspur, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. 73 years ago, it was on this day that India got freedom from the clutches of the British rule after a prolonged struggle of our valiant freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the sake of the nation. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose has rightly said, "One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives." As we all know that due to COVID-19 we cannot gather, but it should not dampen our enthusiasm and our heartfelt feelings of patriotism for our nation. So let us take a pledge on this auspicious day of independence to serve our nation with full dedication and to take advantage of this freedom by contributing to nation building. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thoughtful words always leave a deep impact on our conscience, and when these words are put into music, they have the strongest impact. And such are the patriotic songs of our country that, with their deep meaning, have the tendency to melt even the most cold hearts. So let us listen to a patriotic song.
Jawaharlal Nehru said, "Children are the birds in the garden, should be carefully and lovingly nurtured. They are the future of the nation and citizen of tomorrow." Now, our English teacher, Mrs. Harinder Kaur, will give a short message to her little patriots.
Independence Day and hearty good morning to all my little patriots. Today, we are a free and independent nation because of the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. But my little patriots, The future of this nation is in your hands. So always give your best to your nation and humanity and stand for the broader aims of progress, prosperity, peace and justice. Once again, Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Let us now welcome the person who doesn't need any introduction because she is known to us for her wisdom and knowledge. So, I would like to invite Sister Jesslyn, our dear loving principal, to deliver her valuable words to our children who are aspiring to be like her.
Good morning, my dear children and my dear teachers. Wish you a happy Independence Day. As we are celebrating our Independence Day, we salute our Mother India and her heroic sons and daughters who made it possible for us to live in a free country where all citizens enjoy the fruits of true freedom. Just as our forefathers struggled for freedom, we need not to struggle. Yet, we have to pay a price for maintaining that freedom. Eternal vigilance is the price of democracy. If we slacken our vigilance, the danger can come from within and without. Today is the time to ask, as American President Kennedy said, "Don't ask what America can do for me, but ask what I can do for America." Let us all ask ourselves what I can do for my country to make it the best on this planet. Once again, wish you a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
We all know that Independence Day is a proud moment for every Indian, and celebrating this day gives a feeling of immense joy which is indescribable in words. To make this day possible, our ancestors made great efforts and even sacrificed their lives. So now our flower rides are going to give you a glimpse of Indian history and its freedom struggle.
Hi everyone, Happy Independence Day. Today, on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, the literary team of Little Flower Convent Senior Secondary School Gurdaspur has decided to give you all a glimpse of our country's independence and its journey so far. So let's begin. India, our motherland, was once under the control of British hands. They have ruled over more than 100 years, but due to the priceless and unforgettable sacrifices of our revolutionaries and freedom fighters, we gained freedom on 15th August 1947. The golden sparrow which the British had caged got freedom today. Since then, we have came across several miserable situations which we have faced with much courage and unity.
Some of the important events in the history of India are Partition of India. The British left our country, but while leaving, they made an unerasable mark in the history of India, which was the partition of India into two parts, Pakistan and India. This led to the death of lakhs of people and assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Our constitution came into force on 26 January 1950, made the day our Republic Day and India a sovereign democratic country.
Then slowly and steadily, India started developing. From time to time, India fought many wars, like the Indo-Pakistan War, the Indo-Chinese War, the Kargil War, etc., in which our soldiers fought for us, protected us and had our nation.
Feeling gratitude and not expressing it, like wrapping a present and not giving it. So to give our sincerest thanks, I would like to invite Head Girl Japneet Kaur.
A very good morning to all of you. I'm Japneet Kaur Gill, Head Girl of Little Flower Convent Senior Secondary School, Gurdaspur. Wishing you all good health and a very happy Independence Day. Thankfulness is the quickest path of joy. I consider it my utmost privilege to propose a vote of thanks to everyone who, despite the COVID-19 pandemic, made this Independence Day event a memorable one. I would like to thank our Honorable Director, Father John E. J. Connell, and beloved Principal Sister Jesslyn for giving an opportunity to express our love for our nation. A special thanks goes to our teachers who always guide us, lead us, and motivate us. We will ever remain grateful to you. A big shout out to all the students for their involvement and completion of duties. At last, wishing you very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Here we conclude with our 74th Independence Day celebration with a sense of nationalistic pride in our hearts.
But let us take a pledge on this Independence Day that we will stay calm, composed and united to fight against this pandemic crisis. So, I take this opportunity to send you warm greetings from our Little Flower family. Jai Hind.